Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is take. Here is a picture of a girl taking medicine. Here is take in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Take means to reach for and hold with your hands. Take. Past progressive was taking, past took. Present progressive taking, present take. Future will take. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took, what? What did she take? My daughter took medicine. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took medicine. Why? Why did she take medicine? My daughter took medicine for her flu. Oh, she's sick. That's not good. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took medicine for her flu. Where? Where did she take the medicine? She took the medicine at the kitchen table. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took medicine for her flu at the kitchen table. When? When did she take the medicine? She took the medicine before bed. Okay, so it's the end of the day. Let's build a sentence. My daughter took medicine for her flu at the kitchen table before bed. When? When did she take the medicine? Last night. Oh, so she's still sick. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These words make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.